Okay, page 301, number 1. Using like bases to solve an exponential equation. And we're given 36 times 1/3 raised to the x over 5 equals 4. So what we need to do is create a like base. But before we can do that, we have to isolate our base 1/3. So I'm going to start by dividing both sides by 36. So that leaves me with the 1/3 to the x over 5 equals 1 over 9. Now hopefully you can see that I can create like bases now because 1 over 9 is 1 over 3 squared. So I have 1 over 3 to the x over 5 equals 1 over 3 squared. So now that I have like bases, I can use the fact, our property, one-to-one property, that since the bases are alike, their exponents have to be equal. So I have x over 5 is going to equal 2, so that means that x equals 10. Then checking our solution, as is asked for in the problem, when we put that back in, what we have is 36 times 1/3 to the 10 over 5 should equal 4. So this is 36 times 1/3 squared. So we have 36 times 1/9, which is, of course, 4.